저희 지금 네, 오늘 첫 SheFi Seoul Summit이고 그 비드를 위크의 마지막 끝자락이어서 so it's the last event of the Korea Middle Week. So we're all tired. We're but I wanted to end it with a really empowering touch. And hence, I'm hosting SheFi Seoul Summit in Ewha University. So this is a very symbolic, meaning because it's a women's university, and I'm an alumni here as well. So it's a very meaningful opportunity. And SheFi, it's the first Asia Summit as well. So Maggie Love couldn't be here, but I'm presenting on behalf of her. So thank you so much for being here. I'm Erica. I'm the Seoul chapter lead. So right now the status quo, so Web3 is crypto, right? And right now we're, I mean, no offense to men, but honestly, we're not having much fun here, right? We feel very awkward. We're not, I guess, welcomed as much. I think it's been a prevalent problem in Web3. It's my 7th year in crypto, and honestly, it hasn't been the most enjoyable time due to this very how should I say, swayed gender ratio. So it hasn't been very comfortable for a lot of the women. And SheFi actually empowers professional women to actually come into Web3 and get infused with information, the latest info, employment opportunities, and so forth. And we empower them to, succeed in frontier industries. So Maggie Love, she was supposed to make it, and she wanted to make it, but I'm her, soul sister in Seoul. So she is the founder of SheFi, and it's been doing amazing. The community has been growing day by day, and SheFi, the mission is to empower women through education, experimentation, and community, and it's thriving this year. Last year, it's been just on a roll, so it's just getting started. So you master Web3 in 13 weeks, reinvent your career in 13 weeks. So it's like a 13-week program. So they have cohorts, and each time she educates in person with an online education, but also meet in person as well. So it's like a group chat, live and recorded courses, and there's also offline SheFi summits like this one, for example. And there were ones in Paris and in Denver, which I attended, and Istanbul, and that went really, really well. And you have career supports by mentors and by projects that support SheFi, and the community is really, really strong. So it's like the MBA of crypto, if you want to kind of have a simple metaphor for it. But yeah, you do live instruction, recorded content, Q&As. It's very welcoming as well. So you're free to ask questions. It doesn't matter if you're a newbie into crypto or just exploring crypto or whatnot. And the network is really, really valuable. So SheFi in a nutshell would be education, the boot camp, experimentation, and community. So this will be a long-lasting community for all of you if you join SheFi. And here are certain curriculum and SheFi by numbers, 2,900 members, 70, it's a lot, 10 seasons, 90 nations. So it's 26 chapter leads. I'm one of them, the new one in Seoul. And Twitter's going crazy, Instagram, newsletter. There's a newsletter as well. You should sign up. And the sponsors, main sponsors are, amazing teams like ENS, DAO, Tally, Zerion, PayPal, Optimism, Polygon, and Opal, so forth, and more to come. So yeah, these are our friendly photos that we can see. So you can, join us, the community, and it's very, very welcoming. And, I was happy to be a part of it since last year. And yeah, if you want to join the season 11 waitlist, it's actually there's a lot of applications, and so it's thriving. It's so please join. And newsletter, you can check out the newsletter as well. You can scan it. 시간 좀 드리겠습니다. Yeah, and for this Seoul Summit, I'd like to thank our title sponsors, Internet Computer, and also Metis, and also our community sponsors, The Graph, and also New Year Foundation for making this happen. It was not it was definitely hard to host the first SheFi Seoul Summit. So, all right, without further ado, I'd like to welcome our next speaker. So I'm doing the intro, but we have an amazing lineup today. And yeah, let's give it up for our next speakers. Xiaowei, she's my good friend from Ethereum Foundation. 박수 부탁드리겠습니다.